Welcome back to the Legal Vibe. I'm Pari Luthra, your mentor, and I'm here with another part of a heart to heart with all the CLAT aspirants. And I recommend you to watch this video before going for your CLAT exam on 1st of December. And before starting this video, before sharing all that I want to share with you guys, here is a clip. Here's a video basically that is very close to my heart. It is a video from the day that I got into Nalsar, and Nalsar had been my dream college for very long, and I've explained everything, that how and when did I get into Nalsar. So here's the clip. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the first video of my moving into college series, and today is 18th of June. College is somewhat 8 days away. After 8 days I have my traveling started, but today is the day I faced a drastic change. It is honestly life changing. My voice is shaking. It's been 3 hours since I got to know. I applied for the one single vacant seat at Nalsar University, Nalsar, that I have been praying for about 5 years now. Like, the day I decided to go for law was the day I chose, and I started manifesting Nalsar into my life. I didn't get into Nalsar even after scoring a decent rank for all the 5 counseling lists, for all the lists. Till the end, I was hopeful, but after that, I gave up. But 14th of June, the vacancy for Nalsar was announced. I didn't got to know until then. I found out on 15th, and I immediately filled out the form. Basic details मांगी थी. I was very anxious while filling. And what happened, a little story time. While I filled the vacancy form, after filling it, I told my parents, let this thing go, we will not talk about it. Reason, एक सीट है, मुझे अपनी किस्मत पे पूरा भरोसा है कि वो एक सीट मुझे नहीं मिलेगी. तो let's just not even stress over it. Let's continue our bookings to Jodhpur, since I had been allotted NLU Jodhpur, and let's just go with it. हमारी टिकट्स हो चुकी थी. सेम डे हमने होटल भी बुक कर दिया, even after filling out the vacancy. Today is 18th. Around 5 p.m. I got an email from Nalsar, and yes, we are going to Nalsar. We are going to Nalsar. We are going to Okay, enough of that shit. But the thing is, पता नहीं for how long have I manifested it. I don't even believe in manifestations at this point, क्योंकि मैं जिस चीज़ के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा excited होती हूँ वही काम सबसे ज़्यादा ख़राब हो जाता है. तो मैंने होप्स तो छोड़ ही दी थी. एंड even right now it's very unbelievable. I'm filming it right now, but obviously I'll post it when I reach college, and I'll look back at this video also. The thing is, I have not even told anyone as of now. My family knows, my halke fulke close ones know, but otherwise nobody knows, and I am in no mood of announcing that I'm going to Nalsar anytime soon. So obviously this is the announcement video. This is where I'm announcing, and probably I'll post it after leaving my city. So it's just a surreal feeling. I wanted to document it. शायद मैं ये edit करके cut out कर दूँगी. But I just wanted to document how I've been feeling throughout my CLAT journey, and now that I finally have gotten into my dream college, my actual dream college. Nalsar had always been a dream. And I talked to one of my seniors, and I asked him ki, is there a con or a demerit about Nalsar that if you knew before, you would not even go to the college? And what he replied is, the only demerit with Nalsar is that it's not NLSIU Bangalore. Otherwise, there is no demerit. Honestly, it does feel an honor to be a student in Nalsar. And of course, इसके आगे की जो भी जर्नी होगी, that will be documented on this channel only. I'm just grateful to everyone who have actually accompanied with me in this journey, and I'm mostly grateful to myself for holding on बहुत end तक. Give up तो मैंने कर दिया था, hopes तो मैंने छोड़ दी थी कि मुझे नालसा नहीं मिलेगा, but again I'm giving myself hope again. And I'm hoping this time everything falls right into place. So I was talking to my sister thoda while pehle, and she said this one thing that, you know, everything has to go wrong at the right times to make things go right after a point, and it makes so much sense right now. अगर मुझे नालसर पहले मिल जाता तो शायद मुझे इस लेवल की खुशी जो अभी हो रही है दिख नहीं रही है, क्योंकि आई एम वेरी टायर्ड. मैं 3 घंटे से स्ट्रेट बुकिंग्स और ये सब कैंसिलेशन और रिफंड्स में लगी हुई हूँ. बट I know how surreal this feels, and there's a reason I'm filming it. So, yeah, everything maybe has to go wrong so that in the end everything goes right, everything falls into place. And I've realized that, and I've learned that big time today. So, yeah, 18th of June, it's a huge day for me. मेरे लिए जून हमेशा बर्बाद महीना होता था. But this time it's the most surreal feeling. I hope I really do well and I match up my expectations of this college and of myself. Well, it was a lot. This video was a lot and it means so much to me for all the right reasons. And also इस time पर मेरे पास tripod नहीं था, and that problem also has been resolved, all thanks to Skyvik Technologies. This is the Signipod from Skyvik, and it comes with this bag to carry it around, and also it has a Bluetooth connector that is for the control of the video, and like you can pause and play and start shooting with the help of this one. And you can use this as a selfie stick and also as a tripod. This is how it looks when it is turned into a tripod, and it can like change angles and everything, and well, it is expandable and up to that height. So yeah, it's taller than me. And along with this tripod, Skyvik has also sent us a GoPro wallet, and here's the picture. It's also a very useful product, and both these products you can check out them in the description. The link is there. You can check their products out, and Skyvik has been of great help to us. That's how we've been able to shoot throughout the semester. So thank you, Skyvik. And now about CLAT day, and I've already made a video on how my CLAT day looked like. And to you guys, please go with this one mindset, and this is something that I carried with me and it helped me a lot. Please do not view CLAT as a problem, as something that is troubling you, or something that you just want to get rid of, you just want to get it done with, but rather look at it as a solution. The CLAT will solve a lot of problems that are ahead of you. For me, it was moving out of my hometown. I always wanted to move out, and I always wanted to find better opportunities, go to better cities, and CLAT was the solution for me. So I'm from a tier 3 city, and now I'm living in a tier 1 thanks to CLAT. And this is how you should be approaching it. And there are another set of problems. There is an entire set of problems that I thought that I never really knew that CLAT would solve, but it has. So moving to law school has changed a lot for me. Clearing CLAT has changed a lot for me. It has built my foundation for a career that I'm looking forward to. And once this dream comes true, you're gonna thank yourself for every effort that you've put consistently. And also, see, firstly, there are a very few serious aspirants, no matter the number of enrollments in this exam. This is a truth. This is the truth. Even you go to any mentor, you approach any teacher who is in this field, we all know that the number of serious aspirants is very, very less, and this is something that you should take benefit from. You being a serious aspirant, someone who has really put in efforts into your preparation, you've spent days and months preparing, you've had sleepless nights and all of that. Even if not that, you've had a proper schedule, even then, when you've put in efforts, this is something that you're bound to clear. It's just you have to pay attention to 2-3 very important things, and main thing is being calm, is not performing lower than your capabilities, that too under pressure. So we all know बहुत ज़्यादा pressure होता है उस दिन, and it's a do or die. It's like you have to do this or there would be consequences. Basically, there wouldn't be though, but that's how it seems like to us. So even if one thing, very important, very very important, I have seen people do way better than I am doing right now, even after not being able to secure a very good rank or a very good college, or even after studying from a private institute, anything at all. People have been doing really really well, and this is just to tell you that CLAT is not everything. Firstly, stop making it your everything. Don't put your heart and soul into it. Don't give up until 4 p.m. on 1st of December. That is something that you should keep in mind. अगर तुम्हारा कहीं से भी मन कर रहा है to that you want to give up, please don't, at least not before 4 p.m. 1st of December, because at 4 p.m. once you hand in your OMR sheets, your CLAT exam papers, that's when everything goes out of hand. Like up until then सब कुछ तुम्हारे हाथ में है. To make or break your result is entirely in your hand. You can do that. And once it leaves your hands, once the OMR is out of your hands and you're not going to have it back, that's where you give up. That's where you actually should give up. Ki bhai, this is something that I have done. Now I won't even think about the results. And वही है, भगवद गीता भी यही कहती है कि कर्म करो, फल की चिंता मत करो. बहुत मतलब हमें ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत हैवी लाइन है, हमें ज्ञान दिया जा रहा है. हमें ज्ञान नहीं दिया जा रहा है. मुझे ये चीज़ बहुत लेटर ऑन लाइफ में समझ में आई थी, और यही है कि once you do it, once you tell yourself that you have put in enough efforts, once you have confidence in your preparation, the result won't really matter. And why it won't matter, मैं सच सच बात बताऊँ, because it will be a great result. That's why it won't matter. मतलब it will be a great deal, but it won't be something that will keep you down. So make sure to give up on the right time at the right place. One more thing that I want to really address and tell all my fellow aspirants, law aspirants, कि it's a very huge field. You have opportunities in every nook and corner of this field. This exam is not everything. It's just the beginning. There are a lot of other law entrance tests. There are a lot of colleges who don't even expect any law entrance test ka score. So there is a lot to do in this field, and there have been masterminds. Like, you would not really find a lot of NLU grads in a lot of positions in power. So all of that is a reality. Start seeing it like one. Obviously, up until 4 p.m. on 1st of December, aim for an NLU. It's a great thing. It will change a lot of things in your life. But even if that does not happen after 4 p.m., you will firstly stop worrying about it. Secondly, you will know, and you will tell yourself, you will open up yourself to seeing the world beyond NLUs. And to help you through all of that, obviously all your mentors, all of us, and the Legal Vibe will be here. We will guide you through all the other law entrance tests as well. But about CLAT, firstly, go with a winner mindset. Tell yourself you have done this. You deserve a good college. You deserve a good rank because you've prepared a lot, and that you won't mess it up. You won't act bad, or you won't perform bad under pressure. There's nothing as bad performance. Is that something lower than your potential. So you won't lower your potential because of pressure, and you will always trust in your preparation. You will always have confidence in all that you have studied and all the number of hours that you have put in. Keep reminding yourself that you have made it this far. You are destined to get a good rank. You are destined to get into a good college. Don't forget that. That's all for this video, and I'll see you guys after CLAT. And no matter what, however your paper goes, your mentors are here. Before CLAT, after CLAT, like once you come out of the hall, we will be here. You can always ask anything in our DMs, in the comments. I've mentioned our Instagram accounts in the community section of our channel, so you can go reach out to us on Instagram as well. And all the very very best. I trust in the people who have constantly commented and told me their updates, have updated me with their scores and their preparation. I mean, I've seen a lot of students, and I trust you guys. all the very best, all the best. And I would love to see all the youngsters, all the great minds throughout the country from all over the nation coming into the top NLUs. And even if not, you guys have done great. All the best.